Hello and welcome to Willis Farms. I've created a little tutorial on how to sign up on CrateJoy for the Blue Bee subscription box. The link to the CrateJoy is listed in your email or on this post. The first thing you're going to do, if you notice, is you're going to go to step 1, which is the link to the CrateJoy. Then you're going to put the Blue Bee subscription box in here. It should already show up, but if it doesn't, just make sure you put in the Blue Bee and hopefully it'll bring you to this page. Now, step 2 is you're going to go over here to your selection. This is going to be your steps 2, and this is a drop down. So make sure you just click this arrow right here, and it's going to drop you down, and it's going to give you 3 different offers. The first offer is just the Blue Bee Barn Quilt box. The second offer is the Blue Bee Barn Quilt box with an add-on, or the third offer is a Blue Bee Barn craft box. Okay? So make sure that you're signing on to CrateJoy by clicking the link that is either listed in the description or in your email, and then make sure you're going to step 2 to sign up. You're going to click on this drop down right here. The second thing that you're going to notice after you clicked on that drop down and selected which offering you want is the subscription plans. The red arrows that I put on the bottom, these you will not see these on CrateJoy. This is just for this presentation. Give you the subtotal of what each plan offers. So if you notice, the 3-month plan is the most popular, and it gives you a subtotal of what it is, what it offers for a 6-month, or if you want to just go ahead and sign up for 1 year. Okay, so these highlighted red arrows and words are not going to be shown, but I wanted to make sure that I put that in there so you could see exactly how much each plan total is going to be, and you will be charged that amount the time of purchase. Okay, so I also wanted to put in here to not forget your coupon. So if you have a coupon code, you're going to put that in there right there. But let's go back to step 4. Step 4 is adding your address. So after you've completed your plan in the previous screen, slide 2, you're going to add your address. Okay, so you're going to put your name, so Jane Doe, last name, your address, and then your mailing address. This is where the subscription is going to be shipped. Then you're going to put your credit card information below. There will be a box here, but mine on the tutorial, I've actually gifted my kids some subscription boxes. So my payment information was on there, so I didn't want to include that publicly. And then also don't forget, if you have a coupon, and if you are a first-time subscriber with me, I have sent you a coupon to include it into the coupon area. Okay, so don't forget to add your coupon because it's going to save you some money. Okay, this completes your subscription process on CrateJoy.com. And please do not hesitate to call me if you have any difficulties or questions. I will absolutely assist you. I wanted to give a quick picture of what the February add-on looked like. This is what it is. It's a little craft that correlates perfectly with the barn quilt. So every month we have the barn quilt, and then also if you choose to do the add-on, on screen 1 when you saw that drop down, you're going to see this option as well. So this would be the barn quilt plus craft box. So this is where you would drop down for that. And I just wanted to share that with you. So thank you so much. I hope that you enjoy your Blue Bee Barn Quilt boxes and also your craft boxes as well. Thank you so much, and please contact me if you have any questions. Okay, bye.